Hey guys, want to introduce to you the B32N Bold 32-liter black monokey series top case from GIVI. This 32-liter top case is designed to mount on a wide variety of motorcycles when combined with our monolock series mounting hardware, or by use of the included monolock mounting plate and hardware kit, which is designed to mount on many tubular, flat, steel, or other luggage rack systems. This case is going to be made with polypropylene, which makes this case extremely lightweight, durable, and offers exceptional water resistance. The B32 case utilizes our GIVI monolock operating system, which enables both unlocking and detaching the case with a single key. The B32 case comes complete with a universal monolock top plate and mounting hardware. Optional accessories available for this case would include a passenger backrest pad and interior light. To find out if our B32 case fits on your bike, check the My Motorcycle section of our website. And of course, for more information on this product and our complete range of GIVI accessories, visit our website, giviusa.com. Thanks for watching, and remember, ride safe.